Hi everyone, welcome back here in Disneyland Paris, welcome back here on the channel. It's dinner time and that means that it's time to try out a new restaurant, and for tonight we have a reservation over here, the Rainforest Café. Let's go inside and let's have a look at our table and the menu. Okay, and we are in. We first have to go walk through this shop, the Rainforest Café merchandise shop. Look how cute! But maybe it's pretty expensive. Well, no, it isn't. It's €9.95. Some more stuff over here, some umbrellas. And here more clothing, caps, t-shirts. Cool pencils, a little frog on it, or like here, some spider on it. Cool. Look at this giant aquarium. The restaurant is just over there, so you have to walk under this aquarium. Hey, little fish. Cool. Oh, it's Halloween. Okay, let's go to our table. Follow the waiter. Oh, it's just around the corner over here. Here we are, our table for tonight. Let's have a look at the menu. Some appetizers over here, or salad bowls. Pasta plates, desserts, burgers, what a selection. Beef, pork and chicken and seafood. Well, it's hard to choose something based on this menu, but I have a solution for this. The menu with pictures. Aha! Okay, let's have a look. This looks great. The jungle steak and shrimp. Not cheap because it's €35, and that's yeah, well, that's more expensive than I expected. Pasta veggie bowl for the if you want a vegetarian option, or the Bollywood chicken and shrimp, or the beastly burger. Really don't know what to choose, but I think we are going to start with some appetizers first. Okay, and here it is, our appetizer adventure plate. Look at this, guys, it's huge. So what do we have? We have some mini lumpias over here, some fried chicken strips over there, and mozzarella sticks, guacamole. What a plate! Looks nice, isn't it? Yummy! Well, ever had your dinner during a tropical storm? Use your imagination, because this is supposed to be some kind of tropical storm. Thunder and lightning. when you have your dinner over here, you'll have this effect, I think, about every 25, every 30 minutes, something like that. And well, it's what it is, but it's can't call it cool, but yeah, you know, it's pretty nice effect. Okay, time for our main dishes. Here you have a better look on the fish and chips, which is a very large plate. And over here we have the burgers. The beastly beef burger. Look at this one. This is huge. It reminds me on the XXL burger from Annette's. It's quite the same size, I think, as that one. Oh God. Okay. I don't know how to start on this thing, but I'm gonna give it a try. Just took a few bites of my burger, and so we can have a better look on this beastly burger. It's huge. It's really huge. It's a beef burger with cheddar cheese, bacon, and then fried onion rings in it with a safari sauce. And I have to say, it's the same quality as the one that we have at Annette's. It's even better because it's in some way it's bigger than the burgers that we have over there, and they are more juicy, a little more cooked inside. It's for me this is a perfect plate, but hey, this is also more expensive than the Annette's ones, because I think it's a difference of 4, maybe 5 euro, and of course it serves with some French fries over here. But it's not cheap, but it's a very nice plate. It's a very nice restaurant to have your dinner, but a little too expensive in my opinion. Okay, let's go outside. Oh, look at this. That's cool. Sky full of stars. And when you wait long enough, you can sometimes make a wish, because there is a falling star just over here. Cool. Okay, let's go. So that's it. We just finished our dinner here at the Rainforest Café. What can I say about this restaurant? Well, let me start by saying that it's old. It can use really a big refurbishment, because the animatronics are old, the interior is old, all the stuff on the ceiling, the jungle theme, it's old, it's dusty, and it can really use an upgrade or refurbishment. About the food quality is fine, but oh boy, this is expensive. I paid 27 euros for my burger. We paid 29 euros for the plate to share, the appetizer plate to share, which is really expensive when I compare this, for example, with Annette's. I have the same quality, in my opinion, at Annette's at a lower price. So, of course, you are paying for the atmosphere and you are paying for the theming, but it's not worth the euro, because it's old and it needs an upgrade. So, in my opinion, they can close this place and build something new, something fresh, and something more trendy than the restaurant over here. So that's it for now. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you real soon here in Disneyland Paris. Bye.